Welcome back to Juristalk. Today, we will see the important MCQ of jurisprudence. Question 1. Who is known as the father of jurisprudence? A. Austin. B. Salmond. C. Bentham. D. Roscoe Pound. Correct answer is option C. Bentham. Question 2. The concept of general will was propounded by A. Hobbes. B. Locke. C. Rousseau. D. Montesquieu. Correct answer is option C. Rousseau. Question 3. Who propounded the theory of living law? A. Ehrlich. B. Austin. C. Kelsen. D. Roscoe Pound. Correct answer is option A. Ehrlich. Question 4. Who gave the theory of social engineering? A. Pound. B. Austin. C. Salmond. D. Hart. Correct answer is option A. Pound. Question 5. According to Austin, which of the following is not a law? A. Command of sovereign. B. Divine law. C. Positive law. D. Customary law. Correct answer is option B. Divine law. Question 6. Which school of jurisprudence is associated with natural rights? A. Historical. B. Analytical. C. Natural law. D. Realist. Correct answer is option C. Natural law. Question 7. Kelsen's pure theory of law excludes A. Norms. B. Morality. C. Grund norm. D. Legal system. Correct answer is option B. Morality. Question 8. The historical school of jurisprudence is associated with A. Hart. B. Savigny. C. Salmond. D. Kelsen. Correct answer is option B. Savigny. Question 9. Law is the command of the sovereign backed by sanction. This definition is given by A. Blackstone. B. Bentham. C. Austin. D. Dicey. Correct answer is option C. Austin. Question 10. Who introduced the term grund norm? A. Austin. B. Kelsen. C. Savigny. D. Hart. Correct answer is option B. Kelsen. Question 11. The concept of justice as fairness was introduced by A. Jeremy Bentham. B. John Rawls. C. H.L.A. Hart. D. Ronald Dworkin. Correct answer is option B. John Rawls. Question 12. Which of the following is not a source of law according to Salmond? A. Legislation. B. Precedent. C. Morality. D. Custom. Correct answer is option C. Morality. Question 13. Which of the following thinkers belongs to the realist school? A. Dicey. B. Llewellyn. C. Rousseau. D. Hobbes. Correct answer is option B. Llewellyn. Question 14. Law is a means to balance competing interests is the idea of A. Savigny. B. Pound. C. Hart. D. Salmond. Correct answer is option B. Pound. Question 15. Which philosopher said where there is society, there is law? A. Duggett. B. Roscoe Pound. C. Ehrlich. D. Montesquieu. Correct answer is option C. Ehrlich.